Hi, I'm Bob Sorsel. I'm here in Seattle, Washington, and we're going to do the Emerald City Ride, which is being run for the first time in 5 years. Let's have some fun. The Emerald City Ride has always included some freeway riding in its routes, and this time, we were able to ride on State Road 99 and the West Seattle Bridge. I rode with my friend Nick, who's been in a lot of my videos. The West Seattle Bridge has another official name, the Jeanette Williams Memorial Bridge, named for the late Seattle City Council member who successfully lobbied Congress to fund the bridge's construction after its predecessor was hit by a ship in 1978. After crossing the bridge, we were officially in West Seattle. The first rest stop was at City View Park, which really lives up to its name. Rounding Duwamish Head, we saw places like Randy Stone's Flower House and Alki Beach. Turning onto Beach Drive and leaving Alki Point, we rode along the shore of Puget Sound. The flattest portion of the ride ended as we started our climb into Fauntleroy. Passing Lincoln Park, we stopped at Captain's Park, which provides a good view of the Fauntleroy Ferry Terminal. The biggest climb of the ride was next, passing by Endo Line, which got its name from being the end of a streetcar line, or end of the line. The rest of our sojourn through West Seattle was in Del Ridge, with the occasional steep hill. To cross the Duwamish River again, we went along the Lower Spokane Street Bridge. Getting back to the stadiums, we reached the finish of the Emerald City ride. Alright, that was fun. I'm really glad the Emerald City ride is back. If you want to see more of my content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.